Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add video inside text using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create the project on VN. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then I'm going to select new project. And since we want to edit video, we can select video paste. Okay, and then you can choose a video you want to add to your text. You want to add inside text, and for the video I'm just going to choose video from this download album. Okay, for example, I'm going to choose this one guys. Okay, I'm going to add this video inside text. Okay, and now it's time to add text to our video. We can go to the text option right here to add text, and then select text, and here you can choose mask. So you will create like a text masking effect. Okay, and you can zoom in or zoom out. Okay, and I'm going to type in something. We can go to the edit. Okay, and you can input your text. For instance, I'm just going to type in text masking like this, and then you can change the font if you want. You just need to select this option to change the font, and I'm going to choose this one guys. Oops. Okay, I'm going to place it right here. Okay, and then you just need to edit the style or edit the text. And wait, I'm going to make it align with my video. Okay, and then this is the final result. As you can see guys, that my video has been added to the text or inside the text. And then if you want to export it, you just need to click on this option and the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add text inside. That's how we can add a video inside text on VN Video Editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.